Big if you don't break my shit.
Feelings so deep in the feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe.
What's up, YouTube?
It's your girl Renee.
It's your girl Layla.
And today we're gonna do our first vlog ever.
We're going to the beach.
And we're gonna vlog us with the family at the beach, and we're on the subway
To get some sandwiches.
Yeah, so with that being said, we'll get right back to y'all.
So
right now we're finna go to
The
gas station.
To get some ice and some snacks.
And we're going to get the cooler too.
Yeah.
So everybody want to get in the car. Like, there's not enough space for all of y'all. Y'all should have stayed in the house, okay? Ooh, that sun hitting though. But anyways, the whole family. Can you see them? Yeah, they right there. We all finna jump in this little behind car. Like, oh, she's finna hit me. So we all finna jump in this little behind car. Where my mama car at? That little behind car. Okay. Okay, so we went to the gas station. We got some, what is this called?
Arizona mango.
Yes.
Mango Arizona.
And then we got
Some Cheeto puffs, regular, and some hot
Cheeto puffs. So right now, my mama in the gas station somewhere getting gas, and we're just waiting in the hot car. She don't have the key in here. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys.
Only you knew how much I do love you. And you wanna be tripping out.
What's up, guys? So we just parked in the parking garage.
It's so hot out here, like, we was in the car all day. We sweating, like, really bad. Our edges all messed up. But we just arrived. We just found a parking spot, and we're about to head to the beach, so we'll get right back to it. I don't even know how to get out the parking lot right now. Like, we stuck in the parking lot. I don't know how to get out. And it's so freaking hot. Like, I never sweated before.
Never sweated.
I know, not like this. Like, never. This is crazy. Like, and all the family not even here yet. My mama and them not here yet. It's just a lot going on right now. But we're trying to find an elevator to get out, so.
Bye. We'll talk to y'all later.
Only you knew how much I do love you. And you wanna be tripping out my niggas.
So right now we're walking to the
It's a little bit cooler. It's not as hot as it was before, but I hope the beach is not far because I don't plan on walking freaking it. What? So we walking across the street.
Get out.
Only you knew how much I do.
Okay, so our camera is about to die. So we're gonna have to record off a whole nother camera. And we're finally at the beach. We're walking up to it now. So we'll get back to you guys on another camera. So right now we're walking in the sand. There goes the beach. Oh, our camera ain't the focus. So we got kind of like a long way to walk, but we're on the sand. So how you feel about coming to the beach?
I feel good. I feel relaxed. I feel blessed.
It's like is this our first time at a beach together? This is our first time at a beach together, so it's gonna be a different experience. But anyways, catch you guys when we back and when we at the beach. Okay, so right now these birds are like trying to attack us, and I'm very scared right now. They're everywhere. And what is this one right here? Like, this is crazy right now. And I don't know. Okay guys, so we finally got our food. It took all day. So we got our Subway in the bag. Whatever. So after we're done eating, we're gonna finally get in the water and we're gonna get back to you guys.
Okay, so guys.
Oh my, don't keep that. Anyway, so right now I don't know if you can hear us because it's kind of windy, but right now we're walking to the
water.
And later on, we're supposed to get on the banana boat, but we can't record on that because
It go too fast. We're probably gonna drop it.
unless I get like a waterproof case for my cousin, but ain't no telling. But you probably can't hear us that well, but we finna get in the water, so be right back. Okay, so I'm really scared I'm finna drop the camera, but we in the water right now. Oh my God, it's like pushing us. I'm finna try to sit down. I'm gonna try to sit down for a little bit because, oh my God, my bag getting wet. All right, so whoa, I'm sitting down in the water right now. It's everywhere, like, look at this. Wait till the waves come. Oh my God, like, these rocks hurt my butt. But yeah, we're in the water right now, and we'll get back to you guys when we're done swimming and stuff. And after when we get on the banana boat, we're gonna get back to you guys.
Got out of the water and we're going to see about the banana boat.
And my mama, they so far away from us, so we gotta walk very far out. And that water was warm, but I hate the beach water, like. But yeah, we're finna go see what my mama's trying to do. So we'll get back to you when we get there. Okay, so we got the family situated and everybody is getting ready to
Get on the banana boat.
So we're about to get on the banana boat. So I don't think we can record on it because our camera is not waterproof. So we're waiting to get our camera, our waterproof camera, our GoPro camera. So right now we just have to stick to what we have now. But we're just gonna see if we have a case here. Anybody have a waterproof case? If they don't, then we're just going to. We can't record. So yeah.
Y'all, so the banana boat and everything else was booked except for the parachute that cost $70. So we couldn't do it.
So everything's booked, so we can't even get on it. I want to go home now.
And instead of doing the
Banana boat.
we're doing the dry slide and the wet slide. And this is how it looks. That's the dry slide and this the wet slide.
So we're about to do that because they're not booked.
And we're gonna record
on the dry slide, but
if
we're not.
we can.
If we can, but we're not gonna record on the wet slide.
Yeah. So
Okay, guys. Sorry we didn't finish our outro earlier. It was a lot going on, and we just got home like 30 minutes ago, and we had to shower and stuff like that. So we need to do our outro. So we're about to do it now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. This is our first vlog, so we hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
Only you knew how much I do love you. And you wanna be tripping out my niggas. Now say with me tripping out these bitches. Now, but you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. Baby, you don't know, you don't know, you just don't know. What's it gonna take for you to know you're the only one that I want around? Yeah. What's it gonna take for you to know I know you're the only one to hold me down? Yeah. Girl, you don't know that I